Hey, hello. So I'm here walking through the streets of Lille. It's a pretty cool city in the north of France, and we're looking at all these amazing shops, right? And I'm here with my good friend Vincent. Hey, Vincent, how you doing, man?
Hello, how are you? I'm all right. I'm very happy to receive Bruno in my city. So it's a pleasure.
Yeah. So Vincent, we are here now. So you are from Lille, right? And we are here in Lille to actually do a JavaScript group meeting. We're gonna meet
Yes, tomorrow.
the JavaScript group tomorrow. And so, why do you think is important to participate in user groups?
I think it is important to show up in the community, and so if you have the opportunity to be part of a meetup like the Stijog, you should go to meet new people. Maybe they can bring you new ideas. Maybe they can bring you new opportunities, and maybe they can be your next colleagues. So I think it is a great way to prepare your future.
Okay, very, very cool. And so there's one reason why I think participating in user groups is so important, right? Is because once you participate in a user group, right, you get to find out the things that you don't know, right? So if you never heard about the 5 orders of ignorance, one of the biggest problems with the orders of ignorance is that when you don't know what you don't know, right? So you don't know what you do, and because you don't know what you don't know, then you can't not learn, right? And so one way to solve that is actually to be in place like user groups or events where you can find the things you don't know, and then you can go on and learn, right? I think we're arriving here. Is that a cathedral?
Yes, it is the Cathedral of Notre Dame de la Treille.
Oh, so that's the cathedral, the Notre Dame of Lille, right? Okay, so Vincent, right? So you are one of the things that you're doing is that you have those courses on Udemy, right?
Yes.
And so most people just have courses. They just learn on Udemy, but you're actually creating courses there. So why do you think it's important for you and for everyone that you share your knowledge and you create courses?
I was doing these courses because in the past I was passing certification, and people asked me, yeah, Vincent, how did you do to succeed this certification? So I was writing after that articles, but then I saw that there was an opportunity with Udemy to bring a lot more than just article to read. There was exercise to complete, and with all the tips that I brought from the certification. So I built these courses to pass the Spring certification, the Java certification, and other little courses to get better in some Java-related topics. And so I think it is a better help than just reading an article on LinkedIn,
Okay, very, very cool. And I think that you're right. That's actually a good help to help others, right? But also it helps you because once you're creating the course, you learn a lot more by creating a course, right?
Yes, and I interact with students because they ask a question. They say, "Hey, Vincent, you're not totally right on this topic. Your question is wrong. You put a wrong answer." And sometimes it's true. I have not all the details for the question, and so I refine my question and my answers to fine tune my content so that it will be the best content that I did than before. So it is a great way to progress because I interact with students and we help each other to get better knowledge about the topic.
Okay, very, very cool. All right, so I think that's one of the important thing about being participating in the community and having those conversations, because then you can improve yourself, you can learn more, but also you get to meet people. I'm very, very happy that I'm here in Lille and meeting Vincent and meeting. Tomorrow I'm gonna meet the user group guys.
60 people at least tomorrow.
Oh, there's
So
60
come.
people tomorrow. That's awesome. So yeah, come for that tomorrow.
It will be a party.
Right, but I'm also gonna come to Vincent's company, right? And we're actually gonna be, discussing technology there. So it's a great, participating in the community is a great way for you to learn and become better and meet people, but also sharing that knowledge is gonna help others to succeed too, right? So congratulations, Vincent.
Thank you, and thank you to Bruno to make this effort to come to Lille, which is very far from Brazil, So it's a very pleasure to receive him, and I'm very recognizant for his effort to go in Lille, which is very far away from Brazil. So
Yeah.
great great guys. It is really a champion. So.
Okay, thanks so much, guys. And you know, why not, right? We're going to be celebrating the 30 years of Java here in Lille. So it's good to be here with you guys. And you know, let's talk more. See ya.
Bye bye.